block the future of rehabilitative care. Parkinson's Disease Mastery Series. Parkinson's disease is the second most prevalent neurodegenerative disorder, affecting millions worldwide. However, this expanding community is woefully underserved, creating a unique opportunity for innovative healthcare professionals. Enter the Parkinson's Rehabilitation Mastery Program, your ticket to becoming the leading authority in this fast-growing field. Enhance your expertise, broaden your understanding, and establish yourself as a pioneer in state-of-the-art treatments that make a real difference in people's lives.